Damn. Hello everybody, this is Emperor James the Ferris Reviews, and today we're at Park Place Motor Cars here in Rochester, Minnesota. And today we're checking out this beautiful Audi S5, and we are with
yours truly, Demetrius Johnson, also known as DJ. I'd like to welcome you to this review, welcome you to my home, my second home is what I like to call it. Alright, so yeah, we're going to start off talking about this 2019 Audi S5. What do you have for me? What do you want to know?
DJ, real quick, can you tell us about the dealership you're working for?
Sure. Yeah, so here at Luther Park Place Motor Cars, we are the home of imported vehicles. You have BMW, you have Volkswagen, and of course you have Audi. So we have those three core brands. We also have a nice used inventory as well. So, I mean, I like to call us the one-stop shop. We're a Luther dealership. So we have about 41 different locations and counting. We're the largest group in the Midwest, #1 in the Midwest, 5th in the nation. Okay, and yeah.
And what makes this vehicle so special?
Well, this one here is the S5 Sportback. Okay, so the S5 is typically the coupe. So now we have the Sportback that gives you the 4 doors. And then this one here, I like to think is special because of the black optic package. Now normally you'll see maybe chrome there, and come here to the grill, you'll see maybe chrome grill, but as you can see it's all blacked out there. Black grill, black optic package. Okay. You see now this one here is the Premium Plus. It's still one level up from this, but I mean you get this and you're still happy. So it's Premium Plus package. You have the Sport package as well with the red brake calibers and the Sport adaptive damping chassis, and then of course the black optic package like I mentioned earlier. It has the fine Napa leather interior that is just amazing. It also has the Audi beam rings, where if you open the door, you might not be able to see it now, but when you open the door you have the historic 4 rings lighting up on the ground there, just to help you out at nighttime, or maybe just to show off.
Yeah, both. And what's the max speed on one of these?
Well, you're gonna tap out on this baby at 155. You're looking at horsepower, you're looking at 349 horsepower, you're looking at 369 foot-pounds of torque. You're gonna 0 to 60 on this bad boy in 4.5 seconds.
And trunk space, how does that look?
So it comes around here, you see the nice spoiler there. Just one touch, lifts up.
Oh wow, Sportsback.
So you can definitely fit your golf clubs, your gym bags, and anything else you like to haul around and do your daily tasks.
Oh wow.
Now of course, someone buying this type of vehicle, they not too economically, they don't care, okay? They just want to go fast, they want to hear the engine roar. So you're getting a combined mileage of 24. So I mean it's not bad, but at that point who cares? You know, we just want to go fast. We like Ricky Bobby here. Okay.
Wow, let's check out this inside.
So yeah, check out the seats, the interior.
Wow, is that some velour?
Yep, this is actually called the Alcantara lining.
Oh wow, it's very comfortable back here. Beautiful seats.
Grab this here.
White stitching on black leather. And this is some of the softest material I've ever felt. Softer than my dog. You got your charging ports, digital thermostats. Get your on and off. Some nice little cargo nets. Beautiful leather, beautiful thick leather. Very soft to the touch. Some cargo room back here. Plenty of room back here. I'm only 5'9" and I have plenty of space. I'm pretty sure the seat's all the way back. You got your lock and unlock back here. So a nice little speaker. Very easy to get out of.
So what do you say we take it for a spin?
All right. Got your little Quattro badge right there.
Yep, so as you can see, it has the carbon fiber trim in here.
Very comfortable seats. And looking at the glove department, nice suede velour everywhere in this car. Air vents.
So this here is going to come with the different drive modes here. You can set it to comfort, auto, dynamic is what I would definitely drive it in. And then individual, you can customize your own as well.
Oh wow.
Okay. We're going to keep it in dynamic for now. As you can see, we have the virtual cockpit. Audi is the first to come with the virtual cockpit. You can scan through here if you like. You have access to everything that's on the screen there, and then you can hit view and you can configure it in different ways. So I can do it like that if I want. Okay, if I want it big, and then I hit view, and then it goes back to that.
That's very nice.
Okay.
Beautiful car.
Let's see. Let's get us some tunes going here, because you know you can't pull off without having the right tunes.
Wow.
Take you back if I was you and I did what I did. I probably would.
All right. You ready to roll?
Yes.
Let's see if we can hear this baby holler.
Dang, she has some power. Very quick car. Thank God for these comfortable seats.
Take it on the highway here quick. Just gonna see if we can get into some trouble today.
Got your nice little push to start engine right there. She is a beautiful sounding beast.
So yeah, dual zone climate control. I love this just the touch and feel of it. You know, it's like being in a jet. You know, is how I describe it. It's a jet on the ground.
And that's quite the steering wheel.
Yeah, so it has the flat bottom steering wheel. It's trademarked with Audi and Volkswagen. It's their sport steering wheel here with the Audi Sport logo there.
She's a great sounding car.
All right, you ready?
She has no problem getting up to speed.
So if I change that from standard to satellite, then it turns into voila.
Wow. accurate map. Minnesota.
Beautiful day. That's 106 like it's nothing.
Yeah, like it's nothing. Feels like it's going 40 in my car.
It's begging me to go faster. In other words, you get yourself in some trouble with this one here.
Again, this is not the supercharged V8. This is the turbocharged V6. And my God, it feels like a V8. But with the gas mileage of a V6. And how would you describe the handling on this S5?
Very responsive, very accurate. It's like you feel like you're in control. That's the only reason I'm comfortable enough, going the speed that I'm going and making the turns that I'm making.
Nice mirrors.
This is my favorite part, going around the curves and feeling the quattro kick in. Feel that?
Oh yeah.
See that? See how it hugged that corner?
Yeah. No problems. But that is a very beautiful steering wheel. Holy shit.
Yeah. Leather wrap steering wheel. For the record, for those who don't know, every Audi that's ever made gets real leather. No synthetic leather. They all get real leather in everything.
Nice power seats.
Look, it's showing up from there.
Nice. Let's see if we can hear this bad boy. Nice windows. Plenty of room for all you taller gentlemen.
Sport seat, so it extends out. You feel that little part right there.
Oh,
it's
nice.
for the taller people as well.
Oh, wow.
They can have a little more leg support.
Yeah, the 12-volt. What is this guy down here?
Oh, it's just for a charger. It's not an actual cigarette lighter.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, it also has the paddle shifters. So if I wanted to, this is an 8-speed.
Holy shit.
Check this out. You hear it?
Yeah.
Just a fun car, man. Just definitely, if you love to drive, you love to feel the road, love to hear that engine roar, this will definitely scratch that itch.
Got all your different controls over here.
Wanted to, you don't need to have this up. You can turn that completely off.
Nice.
Just have this here. And if that's too much, you can change it to that there.
She absolutely roars. There goes the sunroof. Beautiful back seats. Very comfortable. S5 all over these seats. Beautiful stitching. You see told you. Like a mother holding a newborn baby. Great features up here.
Yeah, so I love this about it as well. One touch LED.
Oh,
lights.
wow.
I think that's pretty cool. Comes with the shade.
You want the sunroof, but you don't want the sun.
Exactly.
Audi got to. Oh, wow, that's cool.
It's crazy, right? Then you have the compass in the mirror. That's important to some people.
She purrs well at a complete stop. Holy man, that engine. Oh. This is the premium sports package. Audi S5.
It's a real car.
Yeah. Very comfortable. Very almost luxurious while being such a mean sports car.
I agree. That's what they go for. Luxury sport. Luxury sport all day long.
Now, how would I go about buying one of these vehicles?
Well, I'm glad you asked. You can look me up here at Park Place Motor Cars. Just ask for DJ. My cell phone number 507-208-1364. Or you can call the dealership at 507-282-9468.
And now, you're not just giving me special treatment. Could the average customer get a test drive like this?
They could, as long as they credit check. No, yeah. I mean, anyone come in, I would be happy to take you guys on a trip and see if we can help you out. See if I can get you in your next vehicle.
Already? Oh, can I hear how this engine sounds one more time?
Sure, no problem.
Beautiful car. Luxurious. get fierce. Real exhaust tips, of course. Beautiful tires. And could we see the engine real quick? What we all been waiting for, right? There she is.
Alright, so you got your turbo fuel straight injection. Beautiful V6.
Look at that motor. I'm sure it's not a V8. Got something right there.
Full LED headlights.
Wow. Let's take a look at that driver's side one more time. There she is, folks. Paddle shifters, D-shaped wheel, everything a sportsman could ask for. And look at those luxurious seats. If I wanted to buy one of these vehicles, do you guys take trade-ins?
We do. Actually, we take in any trade. Doesn't matter the year, the mileage, anything. We do a fair value price value on it. And we use Kelley Blue Book, third-party source. We go through good condition, minus reconditioning work for every vehicle. And we also just buy vehicles off the street. So if you're just looking to sell your vehicle, give me a call. I'll put a number on it and see if I can help you out.
All right. Look at that beast. That wraps up our review on this Audi S5. Thank you for watching.